Hello everyone, today I am showing you breadcrumbs recipe. First we need bread. The breads have to be cut. Bread should be blended in a blender. Now the breadcrumbs should be put in the stove on low heat. Now these have to be shaken. Gradually it will continue to change color. Gradually it will continue to be crispy. Done. This time I will cook the rest of the breadcrumbs in the same way. Our breadcrumbs is ready. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe to get more videos. Don't forget to like and comment. I love you guys so much. Stay with me. See you soon with a new video.